Ever broken down with no spare tyre, no charger, and no clue what that flashing light means? You're not alone. Most people think they're prepared until they're not. To help you prepare for the unexpected, I'm counting down the top 10 essential items every car needs. And trust me, number 1 is the one everyone forgets. So let's start at number 10, printed maps. No signal, no GPS, just you and the open road. This is where an old school map comes in handy. And I get it, printed maps feel ancient until you're lost in a no service zone. And maps aren't the only thing worth having in print. Digital licenses are convenient until your phone's dead, and interstate, some cops still want to see the real deal. Best practice? Carry both, just in case. Print your insurance info. Know what you're covered for. It could save you time, stress, and maybe even your premiums. Water sounds simple, but it's a road safety essential. Keep a bottle in the car always. From minor cuts to bigger emergencies, having a first aid kit could buy you critical time, especially if you're waiting for help. A hazard triangle comes in handy. This reflective triangle is a potential lifesaver. When you're stuck on a highway shoulder, visibility equals safety. If you break down and other drivers can't see you, they can't avoid you. A flat tyre can take you from road trip to roadside real fast, unless you've got a spare, jack, and socket wrench ready to go. A dead phone means no maps, no roadside assistance, no calls to anyone. A portable charger can cost less than a Sunday night takeaway, but could save your whole day. Dead car batteries account for nearly half of all breakdowns. Jumper cables are your golden ticket back to life, or at least to your mechanic. Let's finish with the underrated hero, your car manual. Most people ignore it until they're staring down a flashing engine light thinking, is my car about to explode? This little book can help you diagnose issues before you make them worse. These 10 essentials could turn a roadside disaster into a simple fix. Pack them once, thank yourself every time. For more straightforward explainers like this, hit subscribe.